Have extra cranberry juice at your Thanksgiving table? You can use baking soda to make an invisible ink, and then reveal your message by using cranberry juice. This makes a lot of sense if you understand pH and universal indicators. pH is a scale for how many hydrogen ions are in a substance. We ranked pH on a scale from 1 to 14, where 1 has a lot of hydrogen ions, and 14 has very, very few hydrogen ions. We call 7 neutral, 1 a strong acid, and 14 a strong base. We can tell the pH of a substance by using something called a universal indicator. As it turns out, there's lots of substances that change color based on their pH. Universal indicator takes a bunch of these substances and mixes them together, so every pH has a different color associated with it. Cranberry juice is one of these. It has a pigment called anthocyanin, which changes color in acidic or basic substances. Our invisible ink is a base, and when the cranberry juice touches it, the cranberry juice becomes more basic, changing color and making it visible. Happy Thanksgiving!